Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss section C of class 12 computer science term on paper. There are 6 questions in this section. We have to attempt only 5. Question is Rohit, a student of class 12th, is learning CSV file module in Python. During examination, he has been assigned an incomplete Python code to create a CSV file. Student.csv help him in completing the code which creates the desired CSV file. It contains 5 rows. As we all know, to write in a CSV file or read from a CSV file, we have to import CSV, which we should write in small letters. In this program, we are writing in the CSV file. For that, we have to open the CSV file in write mode. Here the name of file is student.csv and we want to write in it. For that, we have to open the file in write mode. fh is equal to open within bracket student.csv comma double mode. Here we have to write student.csv and double mode in double quotes. Now we want to create a writer object. For that we have to write student writer is equal to csv.writer fh. fh we have just created in our previous line, which is the file handle. csv.writer object will convert the user data into CSV writable form, that is delimited string form as per CSV setting. Data is an empty list. Header is equal to roll number, name, class, section. Data.append header will append roll number, name, class, section as an item in the list. To insert 5 datas in the CSV file, we are looping 5 times and we are simply writing roll number, name, class, section. Here section 4 will be record is equal to roll number, comma name, comma class and section. In statement 5, we have to append the record in the data. For that we have to write data.append record. To insert these 5 datas at one go, we have to write student.writer.write rows within bracket data. Statement 1 will be CSV all letters. In second question, missing code for statement 2 will be student.csv double. For statement 3, it will be writer fh. For statement 4, roll number, name, class, section without single quote will be there. Statement 5 is filled with REC as we are writing the record in the list. In statement 5, we have to write rows because in write rows we can write multiple rows of data onto the writer object. For single row, we have to write row. Now we'll check the marking scheme. Question number 50 is C and 51 is B. Question number 52, 53, C and D respectively, and in 54 and 55 it will be C and C. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching the video.